Hello, and thank you very much for taking a look at our business plan specific for an exotic car rental service. Very quickly, I'll go through the document and I'll show you the financial model. It has an automated table of contents, so as you add content, these page numbers will automatically adjust for you. It starts with the executive summary outlining the operations of the business. And all of the charts and graphs that you see here can be modified specific for the needs of your company. Chapter 2 is an overview of the financing and how you intend to use the funds you're looking to raise. Chapter 3, an overview of the rental operations. Chapter 4 is the industry analysis, which is current through this year, and we update these yearly. Chapter 5 is your marketing plan. Chapter 6 is the overview of your organization, headcount, and payroll, and again, that can be adjusted as needed. Chapter 7 is the financial plan, which is done on a 3-year basis and has a profit and loss statement. Cash flow analysis. Balance sheet, break-even analysis and business ratios, and then in year 1 we break down the profit and loss monthly. And it's quarterly for year 2 and quarterly for year 3, and the same with the cash flow analysis, broken down monthly for the first year, quarterly for year 2, and quarterly for year 3. Let me just scroll back up real quick. And here's the financial model, very easy to use. Pretty much everything is done on this one tab. Right away, you may have noticed this dashboard here. This allows you to see any changes you're making to the expenses or to your first year revenue, how they'll impact everything else. So for instance, let's change rental fees to $85,000 for the first month. As you can see, this automatically adjusted, and that way, and these changes carry through everything else as well. Again, this will allow you to experiment with different scenarios, different expense profiles. You put your yearly growth rate here. So again, let's change year 2 to 15% growth. And as you can see, this updated, and I'll just go ahead and put that back down to 10. And as you can see, those two numbers changed based on the different growth rate profile. Once you do that, you put in your salaries here and your headcount there, and out comes your payroll table. Your source of funds goes here, your use of funds goes there. Once you put those inputs in, out comes your profit and loss statement, cash flow analysis, balance sheet, those expanded profit and loss statements you saw at the end of the plan. Same deal with the cash flow analysis, your revenue overview, your loan amortization table if you need one, tax assumptions, break-even analysis, and your business ratios. And that's essentially it. Thank you very much for taking a look. Certainly, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach us anytime. We're happy to help. We know these things can get a bit tricky. And again, thank you for taking a look. Take care.